Welcome to the Grand Tour at last, and welcome also to ancient Egypt. This is just one of the places we're going to be exploring in this first unit, which is going to cover ancient art through the Middle Ages. Now, a couple of things to keep in mind about the work that we're going to be looking at. First of all, a study of ancient art is basically archaeology. The earliest works that were made by people are not the things found on the walls of galleries, but things that archaeologists are digging up with shovels and dusting off with brushes. So I think that's kind of exciting and romantic. A second thing to remember about a lot of this early art is the idea that most of it is functional. It wasn't made purely to enhance our lives with beauty, but rather it was often made for a spiritual or religious purpose. It had a practical use to the people who made it. And often, many of the aesthetic works we see are decorations on utilitarian objects, like vases or houses, that sort of thing. And that's a very recent sort of development. Most of the art that's made today is made purely to decorate walls. It's a very aesthetic experience and not as utilitarian. So keep that in mind as we explore. All right, we're going to begin our grand tour in some of the earliest places where art was made, the caves of France and Spain. So let's get started.